Okay, when you open my Canvas course, this is what you see on the home page. If you are only looking over here at the to-do list, then you're missing out on all of the lessons and all of the practice that you need to be doing before these graded assignments. These are only the graded assignments. It is not everything that you must complete every single day, okay? To be counted present for the day, you must complete items within the modules each day and or attend live sessions on Zoom or within office hours. So these are the links that I have on my homepage. I've got a link to Zoom, and I've got the days and the times listed when the live Zoom sessions will be. If you need me other times besides this, just send me a message and I can jump on Zoom at another time and help you out with whatever you need. This link right here takes you to this week's assignments. So when you click on it, it'll open up the modules. In the modules, it's got the unit resources that will have each unit listed as we do them. And when you click on the unit resources, this is just if you need additional help. It'll have notes, vocabulary, the calendar for the unit, and the learning log for the unit. If you don't need those additional things to help you, then directly underneath it is the current week's module. So this week we're looking at day, night, and seasons. It's got the dates. We're going from January 19th through January 22nd. And within the module, I've got it listed by day. And when you go into the day, it'll have the instructions for all of the activities that you need to complete underneath it. And then the next day, I publish the next one. So for today's example, on Thursday, we're looking at rotation versus revolution. I've got all of the instructions for everything that you need to complete for Thursday, January 21st. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. When you read those instructions, then you can click the next button and you can start in on your activities. You've got the review of day and night that you will read and follow the instructions. On the next page, it's got DIY 4, read and follow the instructions. And then you've got DIY 5, the reason for the seasons, read and follow the instructions. Okay? At that point, you have completed everything for that day's agenda. If you need to go back and double check, you can look at the module, and for each day, you can see the items listed underneath it. To be counted present, you need to be going into the modules and you need to be viewing and completing these activities every single day, even if they are not graded assignments. If you still have questions or are confused on what to do each day, how to get to your assignments, and how to be counted present, send me a message and let me know.